Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into something really important to me as a Dr. Heart Health. Specifically, we're going to explore the best exercises to keep your ticker ticking strong. We'll cover a range of activities that are accessible, enjoyable, and beneficial for your heart. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking for fresh ways to stay active, this video has something for you. Let's get started. You don't have to hit the gym to get a good workout. Gardening can be great for your heart. Digging, planting, and weeding all get your heart rate up without stressing your joints. Plus, being out in nature can boost your mental well-being. Now let's talk about a classic brisk walking. Aim for at least 30 minutes most days. You should be lightly out of breath, able to talk but not sing. Brisk walking can lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol, and reduce heart disease risk. Ready to make a splash for your heart? Swimming is a full-body workout that's gentle on your joints. It strengthens your heart muscle, improves cardiovascular fitness, and lowers blood pressure. Plus, it's a refreshing way to beat the heat. Who says exercise can't be fun? Dancing is a fantastic way to get your heart pumping while having a blast. It improves heart rate, coordination, and balance. Plus, it's a great stress reliever. Cycling is another fantastic way to get your heart pumping and improve cardiovascular health. Whether a leisurely ride or an intense spin class, cycling is great for your heart and easy on your joints. Plus, you can enjoy the fresh air and sunshine. Running is a classic cardio exercise that's incredibly effective for heart health. Start slowly, gradually increase your distance and intensity, and listen to your body. Yoga is like a calming symphony for your mind and body, and it's incredibly beneficial for your heart. It involves holding poses, building strength and flexibility, and emphasizes deep controlled breathing to reduce stress and lower blood pressure. Strength training is crucial for heart health too. Lifting weights or using resistance bands builds muscle mass, boosting your metabolism. This can lower your risk of heart disease. Let's wrap up with a high-energy option, aerobics. Think Zumba, kickboxing, step classes, anything that gets your heart rate up and makes you sweat. Aerobic exercise strengthens your heart, improves circulation, and boosts lung capacity. So, there you have it, 9 awesome exercises to help you maintain a healthy heart. The most important thing is to find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and exercises. Stay healthy and keep your heart strong.